Hello friends, how are you? I think you are all great by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm Mahmud Shamim and I'm here today to give you some information regarding get. Okay, I'd like to say in my previous video you got a lot of informations regarding get and where and when you will use get. I think you understood properly from my previous video, and today I'm going to tell you regarding get more. Okay, I will discuss today. So I wrote here three words. Okay, number one, become, arrive, and number three, understand. And get meaning three word. Okay, before we get started, I wanna show you one structure. Okay, to get plus adjective equal to become. When you see this structure in sentences, so I think you can understand properly and it will be become. Okay, so let's see. I'd like to say one sentence for you better understanding. So number one, I can definitely tell you are getting better. Okay, instead of this sentence, I would like to say by using become. So I can definitely tell you are becoming better. Okay, my friends, I have showed already one structure. To get plus adjective equal to become means equal to become. So here better adjective. Okay, and before I think you can say getting. Okay, so we have to use become. That's why I use here become. Okay, so you are becoming better. Okay, so when you see this structure, I think you will understand properly. Okay, now next, number two, it's getting harder and harder to earn money nowadays. Okay, so instead of this sentence, I want to use become. Okay, I think so that you can understand properly. Okay, it's becoming harder and harder to earn money nowadays. So I think my friends, you understood better. Okay, next sentence, beaver is getting old. I repeat, beaver is getting old. Old is an adjective. Okay, and I use getting uh, instead of uh, instead of this sentence. Okay, uh, I can I'd like to use become. Okay, for your better understanding. Beaver is becoming old. Okay, I think my friends you understood. Next sentence, it's getting hotter. Okay, I repeat this sentence, it's getting hotter. Hotter is an adjective, and we use before getting. So except or instead of this sentence, we can use becoming for your understanding. It's becoming hotter. It's becoming hotter. I think my friends you could understand. Okay, and next sentence. Okay, next, by using this structure, I am getting tired of all this nonsense. Okay, so tired is an adjective, and before we can say getting. Instead of this sentence, like other sentence, okay, we can use here become for your understanding. So I am becoming tired of all this nonsense. So my friends, native speakers or who knows better English than you, I think maximum time you can see they use get, because when you use get, I think the language should be smooth. And when you use become, I think the statements or language should be poor. So when you when you use get, and I think a sentence would be very smooth, and I think you can freely deliver your speech to your other person, okay, by using get. So my friends, I have discussed to get plus adjective equal to become. I think you could understand properly. Next, arrive. Okay, I think you can see the word arrive. uh, Arrive, the structure would be here. I wrote here the structure to get plus place expression, to get plus place expression equal to arrive. So when you see this structure, I think you can understand it properly, and that would be, I think, arrive. Okay, so let's see. I'd like to say one sentence for your better understanding. We got to London around 6 p.m. So instead of this sentence, we want to use arrive here, except get. So we arrived to London around 6 p.m. Okay, I think my friend, you understood properly. Okay, next sentence. I got there by train. I repeat this sentence. I got there by train. Okay, so that means arrive. So I want to use here arrive because you can understand better. Okay, so I arrived there by train. I arrived there by train. So I think, my friends, you got the messages. Okay, what am I trying to say? So my friends, the three sentence, I think you could understand properly. When you see to get plus place expression equal to arrive, I think you can use easily. You can use easily get in that concept. Okay. Next, I would here understand. Okay. So you can understand properly when I will use the sentence. Okay, means understand. So number 9, I don't get it. Okay, I don't get it. So instead of this, I want to use understand for your better understanding. I don't understand it. Okay, I don't understand it. So my friends, you got my point, and you understood. Okay, and next sentence. Do you get it? Do you get what I am trying to get across? Do you get it? That means, do you understand it? Okay, what I'm trying to get across. I think, my friends, you could understand. Okay, and next sentence would be different, but the sentence doesn't mean understand. Okay, so I think when you see this type of sentence, you will think the sentence meaning would be understand, not like that. Okay, so let's see. Did you get it right? Did you get it right? That means, did you answer correctly? Okay, did you answer correctly? The sentence meaning that. My friends, I think you got the messages regarding it. What am I trying to say today? And my friends, in my next video, you will see more discussions regarding it, and the lecture will be 3. Okay, So my friends, that's all for today. Request to all to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that when I upload new videos, you can see. Till then, bye bye, take care.